The Federal and Velevin Hypermarket jointly present the Thoothukudi Marathon 2024 to raise awareness on drug abuse. The event is co-presented by Edison Cardio Care Center, Tiruchendur, powered by L. Anand Jewelry and St. Mother Teresa Engineering College, Thoothukudi.
Hello viewers, Swapnil Kusale has made history. He has clinched India's first ever Olympics medal in 50-meter rifle 3 position. This medal marks India's third bronze medal at Paris 2024 Olympics. And in this episode, joining me is his proud coach, Deepali Deshpande. Ma'am, could you please start by recounting your initial interactions with him and how you started coaching him in his initial days?
In 2012, NRAI launched a junior program, and through that program, we started, like, I was the chief coach for rifle section. So that's the time when we actually started, building the base for this performance. So Swapnil is one of those shooters who came to me, in the first batch itself. Like in 2013, he joined national squad for juniors, of course. And so I got, this raw talent with me, and then I could mold them into better shooters because it was at in the national squad, so it was very well supported by NRAI and Sports Authority of India through, of course, Ministry of Sports. So because of that, it was quite easy for me, because I got that pool of talent which was required for this kind of performance. And that support continued for quite some time, even after he became senior. Then for some time, like, then I was still a coach for junior section, but I knew that these boys are very talented. So few, like almost 5 shooters, 4 of them are already in the Olympics now. So those 5 shooters, I started training them. I wouldn't say privately, or in my personal capacity. Like, I would call them during junior camps and let them practice, on the side lanes, so that I can keep watch on them, because I felt that they should be protected and nurtured further. Otherwise, junior to senior transition is very difficult for many, and then they just disappear. So I didn't want that to happen to Swapnil. So so it continued, and because he had always been an exceptional shooter as a junior, also he was one of the top junior shooters. And when he entered senior section, he entered with in national championship, he has won medals alongside Gagan, Sanjeev, and all these Olympians when he was junior. So he had always been in the that top list of shooters. So, but of course, sometimes some things don't go their way, and then during their growing up years, they have these phases also, as transition phases. Sometimes they are not emotionally very stable. Sometimes they feel really bogged down when they boyhood, say manhood mein jate, ya there are a lot of, they suddenly feel a lot of responsibility on them. So all those days were there, but in spite of all of that, he never left a certain level of excellence. So there were some problems, because he comes from a humble background. He comes from a village 40 kilometers away from Kolhapur. So and this sport is quite expensive. So many a times, when and lot of things, not everything can be taken from asked by Sai. Lot of investment needs to be done from shooter himself also. So there we had sometimes some trouble, but we managed through lot of uh, good people around us who supported us. And there's a Laksha Foundation which works in Pune. They supported him at his initial stages. So then he joined railways and Krida Prabodhini, from where he started shooting. So all of these stages were supported by, they supported him at different stages of his shooting.
Right. I want to ask you what made him choose three positions. What was the thinking behind that? Even in his early days, how did that decision come about?
Actually, in the junior national squad, he came into junior national squad through air rifle as an air rifle shooter. But right from day one, I never saw him on 10-meter range. He was always on 50 meters range because that, just that thrill of shooting, because we use, it's a firearm, 50 meters, what we use, the rifle we use is a firearm. It's, we use real bullets. Then it is a little more, it's differently challenging because it has a recoil. Then it's a shot outdoors, so it has a wind effect, light effect, everything. So I think he found that more challenging than air rifle. So he was always there on 50 meters. And because three position is an Olympic sport, he 2 years he shot only prone, and he was one of the leading prone shooters in the country as even when he was junior also. And then he shifted to three position, and three position he liked mainly because see, there are three different positions, so there is no monotony. You are not doing the same thing again and again. Otherwise, in rifle, if like shooting, if you see, we do the same thing 60 times or whatever, but because it's three different positions, so it's very challenging. And and there's no, that monotony is not there, so he enjoyed that. And because of, as I said, it's outdoor, wind and light, and so it becomes very challenging, so he liked that challenge.
Right, very interesting answer, to be honest, on how he ended up choosing three position. I want to ask you, like, before the Olympics, he had finished fourth in World Cup and World Championship. So I want to ask you, what was his confidence level like, or what was his mindset like, going into Olympics? And it's definitely a dream for anyone to clinch an Olympics medal for India. So what was his mindset like going into this Olympics?
He was confident, and mainly, like, we, last 7-8 months, we started working with a psychologist for him, because I felt that it is required at this stage of his career, and it will help in going into Olympics. So there we walked on, because he is a very emotional person as such. So many a times, if he is on a right track, then he just goes on and on and on, and then he can achieve anything. But many a times it used to happen that some emotional trigger, and then he would just go off track. So I just wanted to avoid that in the first place. Like, and you just basically, after Tokyo Olympics, it was like I had decided that if we want to win Olympics, it has to be in spite of everything, like whatever be the situation, we should be able to handle it. So making him mentally tough, not only to work under stress, but keeping his emotions under check and still perform well. So that was the thing we did for him during this time, and it worked, because standing was his weaker position during World Championship and Asian Games, and that's where he lost his medal. Like in Asian Games, he was leading, and just one wild shot, and he not only lost gold medal, but he was not in medal at all. Like he came fourth. So it happened twice with him. So I just wanted to make his standing so strong that this situation doesn't arise. And today, if you see his final standing, was his strongest. That is when he actually came into medal contention. So yeah, it worked very well.
Right. Thank you so much for your time, and I sincerely hope that coaches like you enable a lot more athletes to get India a lot of glory in the future. Thank you so much for your time, Deepali Deshpande.
The Federal and Velavan Hypermarket jointly present the Thoothukudi Marathon 2024 to raise awareness on drug abuse. The event is co-presented by Edison Cardio Care Center, Tiruchendur, powered by L. Anand Jewelry and Saint Mother Teresa Engineering College, Thoothukudi.